Hello, party people. What are y'all doing? My wonderful freedom-loving auditors and auditor fans and family and you know, activists in general. So we got one of these here boxes from that big conglomerate that is worse than Walmart about putting small businesses out of business, also known as Amazon. So what's in the box? Well, let's take a good look at the size of it. Not very big, not real small. So I guess we just go ahead and open it, you know. Ha! Looks like a gimbal. I guess time to check it out, so forth and so on. And I think this has a case and all that for it, you know, supposed to anyways. But I'm a big boy now, no more shoulder rig, I got a gimbal. I don't know, we'll see. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, please do so, and you know, yada yada, share, whatever. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for taking the time to check out my little old video about me getting a gimbal. Woohoo! Late.